इतनी जल्दी क्या है? What's the rush? What's the rush? मुझे सोचने का समय दो. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. अब बात समझ आई. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. बात मत घुमाओ. Don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. सीधे मुद्दे पर आओ. Get to the point. Get to the point. तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day. You made my day. मेरा मूड नहीं है. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. मैं बस ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था. I was just asking. I was just asking. ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. मैं तुम्हें बाद में बताऊंगा. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I'm in no hurry. I'm in no hurry. तुम हमेशा ऐसा करते हो. You always do this. You always do this. आज कुछ अलग करते हैं. Let's do something different today. Let's do something different today. मुझे ये आइडिया पसंद आया. I like this idea. I like this idea. अभी फैसला मत करो. Don't decide right now. Don't decide right now. पहले मेरी बात सुनो. Hear me out first. Hear me out first. मुझे गलत मत समझो. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. बात इतनी भी मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. अब सब ठीक लग रहा है. Everything seems fine now. Everything seems fine now. मैं बस मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. अब क्या प्लान है? What's the plan now? What's the plan now? मुझे पहले से पता था. I knew it already. I knew it already. बात यहीं खत्म करो. Let's end it here. Let's end it here. तुमने सही समय पर फोन किया. You called at the right time. You called at the right time. मुझे यही उम्मीद थी. That's what I expected. That's what I expected. ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need a little time. I need a little time. तुम इतनी जल्दी कैसे आ गए? How did you get here so early? How did you get here so early? अभी कुछ मत बोलो. Don't say anything of now. Don't say anything of now. मैं खुद कर लूँगा. I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself. मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था. I had no idea. I had no idea. अब सब साफ है. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. मैं अभी फ्री नहीं हूँ. I am not free right now. I am not free right now. मैं बाद में समझाऊंगा. I'll explain later. I'll explain later. यही सही मौका है. This is the right time. This is the right time. बात इतनी सी थी. It was that simple. It was that simple. तुमने मुझे चौंका दिया. You surprised me. You surprised me. अब मुझे याद आया. Now I remember. Now I remember. तुम हमेशा लेट हो जाते हो. You are always late. You are always late. मैं अभी निकल रहा हूँ. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. This has never happened before. This has never happened before. अब मैं समझ गया. Now I get it. Now I get it. क्या तुम सीरियस हो? Are you serious? Are you serious? मुझे इस पर यकीन नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. पहले ये काम खत्म करो. Finish this first. Finish this first. बाद में आराम करना. Take rest later. Take rest later. मैं बस देखने आया था. I just came to see. I just came to see. ये सुनकर अच्छा लगा. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. तुम बिल्कुल बदल गए हो. You have changed completely. You have changed completely. मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं है. I have no complaints. I have no complaints. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I'm with you. I'm with you. तुम अकेले नहीं हो. You are not alone. You are not alone. अब सब तुम्हारे ऊपर है. It's all up to you now. It's all up to you now. आज तुम बहुत खुश लग रहे हो. You look very happy today. You look very happy today. मुझे ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like it at all. I didn't like it at all. इतनी टेंशन मत लो. Don't stress so much. Don't stress so much. ये सुनकर राहत मिली. That's a relief. That's a relief. तुमने मेरा काम आसान कर दिया. You made my job easier. You made my job easier. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. अभी सब ठीक चल रहा है. Everything is going well for now. Everything is going well for now. इसे आसान रखो. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. मुझे इस बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. अभी फैसला मत लो. Don't make a decision yet. Don't make a decision yet. तुमने अच्छा चुनाव किया. You made a good choice. You made a good choice. ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है. आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू इट. आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू इट. ये मेरी गलती थी. इट वॉज माई मिस्टेक. इट वॉज माई मिस्टेक. अब मेरी सुनो. नाउ लिसन टू मी. नाउ लिसन टू मी. मैं सच बोल रहा हूं. आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रूथ. आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रूथ. तुमने सही कहा. यू आर राइट. यू आर राइट. मैं भी यही सोच रहा था. आई वॉज थिंकिंग द सेम. आई वॉज थिंकिंग द सेम. अब कोई बहाना नहीं. नो मोर एक्सक्यूजेस. नो मोर एक्सक्यूजेस. बस एक आखिरी बात. जस्ट वन लास्ट थिंग. जस्ट वन लास्ट थिंग. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. मुझे ये पसंद आने लगा है. I'm starting to like it. I'm starting to like it. तुमने अच्छा समझाया. You explained it well. You explained it well. मुझे इस पर गर्व है. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. अब सब ठीक लग रहा है. Everything looks fine now. Everything looks fine now. तुम्हें इसकी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. आज का दिन अच्छा रहा. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. मैं फिर से कोशिश करूँगा. I'll try again. I'll try again. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting this. तुम बहुत आगे जाओगे. You'll go far. You'll go far. बात इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I'm always with you. I'm always with you. अभी सब कंट्रोल में है. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. अब मुझे जाना होगा. I have to leave now. I have to leave now. तुमने बहुत मदद की. You have been a great help. You have been a great help. ये सुनकर मुझे खुशी हुई. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. There's no problem now. There's no problem now. चलो कुछ नया करते हैं. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. मुझे ये तरीका पसंद है. I like this way. I like this way. तुम सही दिशा में हो. You are on the right track. You are on the right track.